Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at the Neewer ring light. This is an 18-inch big boy. It's actually been sent to me for something different to review, and I'm not actually doing that with it. But I thought I'd unbox it because you guys might like to see. I know a lot of people are interested in the stuff that's like this. Vloggers use these all the time, and Neewer is a company that I've got. I think 99% of my rigging stuff is Neewer. Stands, it's everywhere. I'd happily be like a brand ambassador for them. Like, I love their stuff. Affordable, yet really good quality. So let's open this. I thought I didn't have to do an unboxing or anything, by the way. It's just I thought I'd do it. Plus, you guys might enjoy an unboxing. I was going to do it in an unboxing time thing, but I haven't actually had that much arrive. So I thought I'd just do a standard unboxing for it. Dual cam again today. You can see it's quite zoomed out, just to fit in it, fit the whole thing in the shot. So let's go and get this opened up. So in this one, we're going to do a cutting intensifies unboxing, and I'll do like a little that was an effort. And I'll get it lit up and stuff to show you how it works. And as I said, there won't be an actual review for this, but we can still have a look at it because it's going to be something I'll use as well, I expect. So, and I love unboxing stuff. I haven't done very many things that have just been purely unboxings, so generally everything gets reviewed that comes in. So nice to have something a little bit different. Now you do get in the box, which is nice because it's not separate to it, but it's all in one thing. If I can get it out. God, it's in there. It's too warm to be doing this. So you do get a light stand. This is a 60cm foldable light stand. Now it's not the ones you'd usually get with like your soft boxes. It's one that's a little bit smaller, I believe. So like the legs are upside down to what you'd usually expect, and then you fold. It's all metal actually. It folds down like that, so it's not going to go quite as high. But I suppose it doesn't stand up too high either. So a lot of the light stands I use now, like the minimum height is a lot more than this. So obviously if you're using it on a desk, it's not going to be mentally high, and then you're going to have like shadows coming down from your head. It's going to be the right height. So I obviously see why they've included that one. It's pretty good quality though. It's got metal sections on it. The screws are plastic, but the handles on them, sorry, are plastic, but the internals are metal. So that might be handy to have around the office. Okay, let's get the main. Okay, this is obviously the power adapter in that part. And then, it comes in a bag as well. Let's get rid of that. So there's the actual light. Obviously, let's put that to the side for the moment. Just go through this little box here. Nice simple branding. So, accessories, instructions, installation instructions, macro ring light soft tube, so the tubes are separate. So there's your power cable, just so you know, the different regions will be included depending on where you are. I'm in the UK, therefore UK plug, like you expected anything else. Just crack into it, and then the power adapter. Very simple. no frills with that. So these are some gels that you can put on. I call them gels, they're not actually gels, they're just plastic covers, but I'm used to calling them gels from doing flash photography and stuff. So these just clip on. If you want to change the colour, then you can do so, get a nice bit of a warmer sun colour of that. Do you get a little remote as well? Camera 360 iOS. Or Android. Okay, so you get a little remote. You switch from on and off on the side as well. Shutter button, very handy. This is your phone mount. So just a basic sprung job. You put your phone in. Not sure really how big of a phone you can put in. You might be pushing it for some of the bigger devices out there, but I'm sure it will do for most. You can obviously buy yourself a separate one if you're using a big boy phone. I'm using that phrase far too much. And then you get a little ball head as well. So you can put your if you're using maybe a point and shoot camera or DSLR, I'm not sure how much weight this can take, if I'm honest, but you can just thread straight into there rather than using the smartphone mount. I think that's it. Yep. Do the same for that. Right. Oh, the tube. I forgot the tube. Okay. It's not the light tube. I don't know why I thought it was a light tube. I'm just thinking of the original soft boxes I bought. They were like from back in the day when you used to use the cathode tubes. So this is going to be, I'm guessing the ring light would go into there. Okay, then that goes in to there. It doesn't fit the ball head, but we will find out. All will be revealed. A little bit of flex to that as well. That's really strong. That might be handy for other things that we may need rigging for around the office as well. So, win. So let's open this. Okay. Wow. So inside, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but there's a little mesh panel so you can put all your accessories. There's another side to it as well. So you can put all the bits that come with it into the bag, which is nice. So on the back, okay, so the power adapter just goes into there. You've got a power intensity as well, dimmable. So there's a rotator on there to adjust the brightness. Let's flip her over. Let me take this off. There you go. So there's all your LEDs, actually SMDs, a surface mount lights. And then obviously if you want to put the colour on, it just clips on. Give you a colour. Now it should go underneath that bit there to then adjust. If you wanted to just warm it up a little bit, obviously you can just use one or two. I will just stick with the white though, because I don't particularly like to have a colour like that. I did notice on the inside there's a cold shoe mount, so that's where your ball head's just going to go like so. Then you can mount your heavier devices, so your DSLRs or point and shoots. And then for those that are using the smartphone adapter, you can just put that on the top. So this seems to have a little, some teeth on to adjust. And then it's just a case of put that into the tripod head. No, sorry. So then this part will go onto the top of the light stand, just over the top. So then this part will go onto the top of the light stand. This is just a little rubber cap that comes included. Underneath is a thread. All newer light stands come like this. You can also, so then this part will literally go, so then this part will attach to here. This part you can just undo this, and then it will come off to reveal a 5/8, but then that will go over the top. Then on the top, that will just simply slot into the actual lighting stand, the ring light, sorry, and then that will screw up to then take the light. So I'm now just going to, just for ease, take that out and plug it in, and then we can show you how it looks lit up. Okay, so I have put this plug on. This does have a little locking mechanism in it, which is nice. Turn her on. Wow, it's bright. So there's your lowest setting. That is so bright. Holy cow, I was not expecting that. That's definitely like, you could definitely make use of this for making like a cinematic film or something. But obviously, this is, wow. I don't know how long you could look at it if it was full, but obviously if you're streaming and you're looking over here, it's not going to make too much difference. I know I'm overexposed on the camera there. Obviously, it's probably a little bit extreme. I do have the camera set, so it's not too mad. So you can actually see the difference, because if it was auto, it will just adjust. So that does put out a lot of light. I'm impressed though, very impressed. Obviously another thing, if I was to use this for this video, for example, and I wanted to use my normal tripod for my camera, as that's probably a little bit heavier than you'd want to put just with this ball head, considering this surround is plastic. Then just a case of maybe getting a clamp with an arm, I'd probably I use the clamps a lot, and then just mount it onto the tripod, obviously lens through, and then use that. A lot of photographers use these ring lights because it gives a really nice ring effect in the eye when doing portraits. But obviously you can make this for video applications. You do have the remote button included in the box, so you can use that. But that's a nice little bonus actually to include that. Wasn't expecting that, so that's a nice little addition. But overall, I am very impressed with this. I think currently it's about £70 on Amazon. Yeah, if I was going to do vlogs more frequently, I'd probably use this. For the people that do makeup tutorials on YouTube, this is exactly what you want. Everyone uses these for makeup tutorials. But yeah, overall, nice little package from Neewer. I like the fact you do get a bag to take it all in as well. Put all the bits and bobs in there, nice. So, very impressed. If you want to get them for yourself, as I did say, I will put a link in the description box below. But as for now, thank you everyone for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Check out my social media for what's coming up soon. And then I'll see you all in the next one.